Good morning, Yale. I hope all of you are doing well. I want to let you know that Ms. Torres misses each and every one of you. And today we're going to be doing lesson 13. Watch me. Tell me if I hold up all of my fingers or some of my fingers or none of my fingers. Is this all of my fingers or some of my fingers or none of my fingers? Get ready. Right, none of my fingers. Is this all of my fingers or some of my fingers or none of my fingers? Get ready. Right, some of my fingers. Is this all of my fingers or some of my fingers or none of my fingers? Get ready. Right, none of my fingers. Good job. Let me give you some student points for answering correctly. Now it's your turn. Everybody, hold up some of your fingers. Get ready. What are you holding up? Get ready. Right, some of your fingers. Say the whole thing. Get ready. Right, I am holding up some of my fingers. Everybody, hold up none of your fingers. Get ready. What are you doing? What are you holding up? Get ready. Right, none of my fingers. Say the whole thing. Get ready. Yes, I am holding up none of my fingers. Good job. Let me give you some student points. I'm going to name some objects. Tell me what class these objects are in. Listen, glass, suitcase, purse, box, bottle. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, containers. Listen, plane, train, bus, boat. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, vehicles. Listen, saw, rake, screwdriver, pliers, axe. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, tools. Listen, bread, burgers, butter, beans. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, food. I'm going to name a class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Listen, containers. Get ready. Yes, very good. A suitcase is a container. A purse is a container. And a box is a container. Very good answer. You get a student point. I'm going to name another class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Listen, vehicles. Get ready. Yes, very good. A car is a vehicle, a train is a vehicle, and a bus is a vehicle. Very good answer. I'm going to name another class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Listen, tools. Get ready. Very good. Yes, a screwdriver is a tool, a saw is a tool, and an axe is a tool. Good job. Kiss your brains. We're going to play a word game. Listen, I'm thinking of an alligator that is not young. It's not young. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it's old. Listen, I'm thinking about umbrellas that are not dry. They're not dry. So what else do you know about them? Get ready. Yes, they're wet. Listen, I'm thinking of a lizard that is fat. It's fat. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it's not skinny. Listen, I'm thinking about a tree that is not tall. It is not tall. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it's short. Very good. You get another student point. Let's say that you wanted to take a bath. Name some things you would have to do. Yes, very good. You would have to take off your clothes. You would have to turn on the water. And you would have to get in the bathtub. Yes, very good answers. Here are 4 things you would have to do to take a bath. Listen. Fill the tub with water. Make sure you have soap and a towel. Take off your clothes. Get in the tub. Your turn. Name the 4 things you would have to do. Right. Fill the tub with water. Yes. Take off your clothes. Yes. Get in the tub. I can name an absurd order. Listen. Fill the tub. Take off your clothes. Get in the tub. Make sure you have a soap and a towel. There's an order that's even more absurd. Who can name the 4 things in a very absurd order? Very good. So you're saying to get in the tub, take off your clothes, make sure you have soap and a towel, fill the tub with water. That would be absurd because you would be in the tub already and then you would take off your clothes while you're in the tub. And then how are you going to make sure you have a towel if you're already in the tub? Very good. Everybody, here's an absurd order. Fill the tub, get in the tub, make sure you have soap and a towel, take your clothes off. Why is that order absurd? Right, because you would be getting in the tub with your clothes on. So when you take them off, they would be soaking wet. Very good. We're going to talk about how things are the same and how they are different. Listen, a fish and a boat. See if you can name two ways they are the same. Very good. So you're saying that a fish and a boat are the same because they both go in the water. So you told me how a fish and a boat are, get ready, right, the same. Listen, a fish and a boat. See if you can name two ways they are different. Right, a fish is an animal and a boat is a vehicle. Yes, and a fish has eyes and a boat does not have eyes. So you told me how a fish and a boat are, get ready. Yes, different. Here's another one. Listen. A chalkboard and paper. See if you can name two ways they are the same. Yes, you could write on a chalkboard and you could write on paper. Yes, you could also draw on a chalkboard and draw on a paper. So you told me how a chalkboard and a paper are, get ready. Yes, the same. Listen, a chalkboard and paper. See if you can name two ways they are different. Very good. You write with chalk on a chalkboard, but you cannot write with chalk on a piece of paper. So you told me how a chalkboard and paper are, get ready. Yes, different. Very good. Let me give you some student points. So you guys are reading Miss Torres right now. We're going to talk about days and months. Everybody, how many months are in a year? Get ready. Yes, 12. Say the fact. Get ready. Right. There are 12 months in a year. Name the months of the year through December. Get ready. Right. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many days are in a week? Get ready. Right. 7. Say the days of the week. Sorry, say the fact. Get ready. Right. There are 7 days in a week. Everybody say the days of the week. Get ready. Right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Everybody, how many seasons are in a year? Get ready. Right. 4. Say the seasons of the year. Get ready. Right. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Very good. Superstar. First, you'll tell me about the days of the week. Then you'll tell me about the dates. Tell me the day of the week. It was yesterday. So if today is Monday, what day of the week was it yesterday? Get ready. Right. Sunday. Tell me the day of the week it is today. Get ready. Right. Monday. Now dates. Everybody tell me yesterday's date. Get ready. Right. Yesterday's date was Sunday, April 5th, 2020. Tell me today's date. Get ready. Right. Yes, today's date is Monday, April 6th, 2020. Good job. Everybody, open your workbook or your worksheet to lesson 13 and write your name at the top of the page. Paul is painting again. I'll tell you the story about Paul 2 times. The first time I tell it, you'll touch the things that Paul paints. The second time I tell it, you'll write numbers in the circles. The picture shows where Paul was at the beginning of the story. Where is Paul? Yes, good job. At his desk in his room. Here's the story. Paul was in his room painting a picture of a purple parrot. Everybody touched the picture on the picture of the parrot. Paul painted every part of the parrot purple, but just when he finished, some purple paint plopped onto his pencil. Everybody touched the circle on the pencil. Paul looked at the part of his pencil that was purple and said, I'll fix up that pencil. So he did. What do you think he did? You think he painted the whole pencil purple? Right. He painted the whole pencil purple, but just as he was finishing up, he noticed purple paint on his pajama pants. Everybody touched the circle on Paul's pajama pants. Paul said, oh, poo, the purple part of these pajamas look poor, but I can fix up these pajama pants. So he did just that. What did he do? Yes, he painted his pajama pants purple. And just as he was almost finished painting his pajama pants purple, he noticed some purple paint in the palm of his hand. Listen, the palm of your hand is inside, not the back of your hand. Everybody touch the palm of your hand. Everybody touch the circle on Paul's palm. Paul said, part of my palm is purple. I can fix that. So he did. What do you think he did? You think he painted his palm purple? That's the story about Paul. Now I'll tell it one more time and you'll write the numbers in the circles. Then I'll call on a couple of children to tell the whole story. Listen, what was the first thing Paul did? What was the first thing Paul painted in the story? Right, a picture of a parrot. Everybody touch the circle on the picture of the parrot. Write a number 1 in that circle. Raise your hand when you're finished. Good. Listen, when Paul was just finishing painting the parrot purple, some purple paint plopped onto his pencil. Everybody touch the circle on the pencil. What number goes in that circle? Get ready. Yes, 2. Write a number 2 in that circle. Raise your hand when you're finished. Very good. Listen, Paul painted the whole pencil purple. Just as he was finishing up, he noticed purple paint on his pajama pants. Everybody touch the circle on Paul's pajama pants. Think big. Everybody, what number goes in that circle? Get ready. Right, 3. Write a number 3 in that circle. Raise your hand when you're finished. Very good. Listen, Paul painted his pajama pants purple, but just when he was almost done, he noticed some purple paint in the palm of his hand. Everybody touch the circle on Paul's palm. Think big. Everybody, what number goes in that circle? Get ready. Yes, 4. Write a number 4 in that circle. Raise your hand when you're finished. Very good. Now you have numbers that tell about the things that Paul did in the story. Who can tell the whole story? Remember, you have to tell where Paul was at the beginning and what he did for each number. Don't say the numbers, just tell what he did first, what he did next, and so on. You can tell a story. Everybody else follow along and see if she tells us what happened for each number. Very good at telling your story. Later, you can color all the things that Paul painted purple in this story. You can color the things he didn't paint any color you wish. Everybody, find the next page in your workbook. Your page should look just like mine. So it should look like this. Touch the first part of your page. You should be touching this part of your page. Find the boy. Here's a coloring rule for the boy's head. Listen, color the hair orange. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the hair orange. Mark the hair. Here's another coloring rule for the head. Listen, color the nose brown. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the nose brown. Mark the nose. Here's another coloring rule for the head. Listen, color the eyes blue. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the eyes blue. Here's another coloring rule for the head. Listen, color the ear yellow. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the ear yellow. Part of the head is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. Yes, the mouth. Before you color the head, you're going to follow the dots and make the mouth. Here's the coloring rule for the mouth. Listen, color the mouth red. What's the rule? Get ready. Mark the mouth. Find the bears. Here's a coloring rule for this picture. Color the containers orange. What's the rule? Get ready. Right. Color the containers orange. Mark one of the containers orange. Here's another coloring rule for this picture. Color the vehicles red. What's the rule? Get ready. Right. Color the vehicles red. Mark one of the vehicles red. Here's one more thing to do. Part of the cup is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. Yes, the handle. Before you color the cup, follow the dots with your pencil and make the handle. Remember, the marks show you what color to make the containers and the vehicles. Very good, and that's the end of lesson 13.